Single ultralight tent 15D for 20T ripstop nylon with silicone on both sides. Net weight 1.45 kilograms. Suitable for camping, hiking, mountaineering, cycling, fishing and other scenarios. 1. 2 Style to build. A. Regular installation, close to the ground. B. Use with camping cot. Suitable for length 190 to 200 cm, width 60 to 68 cm camping cot. 2. Two-door design. The front and rear doors of the inner and outer tent can be opened. There is plenty of space inside the tent, and it is comfortable to sit or lie down without crowding. Wide field of view. 3. Ultralight 15D for 20T ripstop nylon with silicone on both sides. The advantage of both side silicone fabric is that it is super light and the tear strength is more than 5 times that of single silicone fabric. But the reason why few tents use it is, the sewing process is very demanding and there is no way to achieve mass production. 4. The world's first tent without pressure glue process. The world's first high-tech products without pressure glue process. The tent has no pressure glue and no glue coating at all splices. Through a special sewing process plus expansion line to achieve waterproof effect, the world's first technology. 1-year quality guarantee. Features. Brand, Thous Winds. Type, Scorpio 1 People Tent. Color, black, brown, green. Model No. TW's DM1617. Suitable, hiking, camping. Suitable seasons, 3 season. Specifications. Tent fabric. Outer tent, 15D ripstop nylon with for 20T both sides silicone coating. PU 2000mm WR. Inner tent, 20D mesh yarn 7075 aviation aluminum alloy. Tent floor, 15D for 20T ripstop nylon with silicone on both sides. PU 2000mm WR. Tent pole, 7075 aviation aluminum alloy. Tent size, storage size. Outer tent, 245 by 245 by 108 centimeters, 23 by 14 by 14 centimeters. Inner tent, 200 by 66 by 108 centimeters to 44 by 9 by 9 centimeters. Number of door, 2 door. Accessories, nails, rope. Net weight, 1.45 kilograms. With accessories, 1.59 kilograms. Package list. 1 inner tent body. 1 outer tent body. 2 tent poles. 8 tent stakes. For rope. 2 carry bag mesh bag. Product advantages. 1. The tent material is made of 15D nylon ripstop both sides silicone. 2. The tent poles are made of 7075 aviation aluminum alloy bracket, light and firm. 3. The tent can be used with camping cot. Suitable for length 190-200 cm, width 60-68 cm camping cot. The advantage of double-sided silicone is that it is ultra-light, and it wins in all aspects compared to tents of the same weight. Tear strength is more than 5 times of single-sided silicone fabric, waterproof, wind resistance, corrosion resistance and mildew resistance is stronger than single-sided silicone.